Feels like, come on, step out with us. We got money. Grand rising, everybody. Here is your girl Casarah B. If you are new, welcome to my channel. Welcome to the Baddie Gang. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. I am on my way to work. Got the kid back there, about to drop her off. Just wanted to tune in and say, hey y'all, about to head to work per usual. I have a few things going on. I haven't been filming the first few couple days. I didn't really have nothing to vlog besides go to work and come home, which I already been seeing on the last two vlogs. But I got a few things coming up this weekend, and I think this vlog is gonna be a little bit shorter. I'm not for sure. We'll see how it goes. This weekend I'll be getting my hair done. And then what else do I got going on? Oh, I do gotta grab a few boxes today to pack, because I do move in 3 weeks, so I gotta get packing. I already done packed up my entertainment center with all these movies. I have bootlegs, y'all. I have bootlegs. They need to be thrown out. Oh wow. Let me drop the kid off and I gotta head to work. I gotta hurry up. Now I'm back home off of work. I just got back from picking up the kid and coming from U-Haul. I just got some boxes. Don't mind the mess. I'm about to start packing up Ayana's room, and she got a lot of stuff. There's a lot of stuff that I did throw out in her room, as far as, like, you know, books and stuff like that. So now the real main thing is these toys. Working on packing her stuff up. Stuff like this. She had a whole outfit. It was from Build-A-Bear. That's what I'm trying to do to you.
Hey, I designed her.
You want this?
Let me see that. Keep her.
No, all your Barbie stuff should go in this suitcase.
Can I put it in?
Like all your LOL stuff, ones that you're not playing with right now, put it in the suitcase. Anything that you don't want, throw it away. Okay, we done made some progress. Got all the toys out of there. Threw out a lot of toys. Put all her shoes in this bucket. The only thing is, I gotta do something with these stuffed animals, because pretty much most of them are brand new. Got one box packed, as you can see so far, but I just gotta figure out what to do with these stuffed animals. I don't know what to do. I don't know if I throw them away, give them away, or what. So I just gotta figure that out. All right, let me finish the rest of this and figure it out. I gotta throw away like 3 bags of stuff, so I'll holler back. All right, I think I'm done for the day in this room. I pretty much cleaned up that part where all the stuffed animals were, and pretty much cleaned out her closet. I just gotta get rid of these hangers from when she was a baby, but I'm gonna start again tomorrow. And then I got some clothes to give away. DKNY, The Gap, all types of stuff. So I'm gonna do that, and then I still gotta finish that stuff up there. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with that, because she got 2 easy bake ovens, Legos, coloring stuff, roller skates. She got tons of clothes still. I still gotta give away some more, but at this point I'm done. I'm tired. I've been doing this since I got off work, and I ain't even sat down. I haven't even eaten. So this moving shit is a process. I think I'm finished for the day. Start again tomorrow. Just got done getting my hair done. As y'all can see, it's looking pretty. You know, I'm pretty basic when it comes to the hair, but this is what I'm wearing. And I got these shoes, and then I'm gonna just put on my leather coat because it is kind of cold outside. So I need to put something on my lips. My family here from St. Louis, so it was like, come on, step out with us. We got money. Anywho, yeah. Just gonna wear this. Something cute, something simple. Ain't nothing all that extravagant, but yeah. Anywho, touch up my lips, and then I am out the door. So I'll catch y'all tomorrow.
It's that time again, we gotta go. Take one, then I dash away from Popo. Snakes around my grass, they want my dodo. But I keep a 40, they don't know, no. Got the Henny, you get cocoa. Smoke on Reggie, that's a no-no. Driving slow-mo in the photo. It's ready for them photos. Don't say you get money, boy, you been broke. Digit dash up in my circle, you can roll. Only cash up in my vision and the south. Now I'm splashing on the model cause I bought. Don't say you get money, boy, you been broke. Digit dash up in my circle, you can roll. Only cash up in my vision and the south. Now I'm splashing on the model cause I bought.